Today I am in Latvia and behind me is the Selfoss, built by Bouw Art, located near Riga. What we're looking at is a 630-ish square foot prefab home that's 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. As with most stuff from Bouw Art, this thing has a great look, and when you put it into these surroundings, it just makes things even better. This is one they sold to a customer that was kind enough to let me stop by, and tell you what, I am glad they did, because not very often I get to go to a setting quite like this. So what I'm going to do now is jump behind the camera. We'll take a tour around and I'll show you inside and out of the Selfoss. First things first, tip of the cap to the property owner, because the combination of the lights, the water, the dock, the hot tub, and this building is a vibe. Somebody had a vision for this place and it has been very nicely executed. As I come around the side of the Selfoss, you will see that it was delivered in 2 separate pieces. So the main structure, say it splits right there, that's the main structure on this side. This is the add-on piece, let's call it, even though it is on the floor plan. What we've got here is the bedroom. So that piece on the back is the bedroom space. And by having it shipped separately, it does open up the plan nicely, which you will see when we go inside. As far as the exterior goes, they've got the slat wood siding, which looks nice. And I'm going to take the outside route. I'm trying not to slip. It's a bit of a wet day here in Latvia. So coming around this side, this window right here, again, wait, another look at this property. Pretty unbelievable. This window on the end, that goes into the kitchen. You can get a little sneak peek at the living room. They've got the metal roof on here, and if Bouw Art is new to you, they've got a couple different options for exteriors. So they can do wood siding, which we've got here. They can do metal, or they can do a combination of both. So a few different options available. I'm gonna jump up on the deck and then won't have to worry about slipping as much. So let's look at this place straight on, and you will get the first look at the surprise I was telling you about. It's right over here. So they've got a built-in sauna in this home, which, given this location, definitely adds to the vibe. Front door, full glass window. Here we go. Now, I talked to the owner of this home, and he said that one of the reasons that they decided to buy from Bouw Art was the fact that they were able to make custom changes. And I will point out a few of those as we go through the home. I think I'm going to start in the bedroom, because that is the piece that kind of allows this floor plan to happen. So if you think about it, typically a 630 square foot home would ship in one single section, but because they've taken this and shipped it in 2 pieces, it kind of opens up the space more, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. So as you saw outside, they've got the deck wrapping around 2 sides, I think, which allows them to put I don't know where this opens, we'll just leave it, a double door off the bedroom with access to the deck, which means you've also got access to the hot tub and the swimming hole out front. From here, we are going to move into the bathroom. And again, you saw the sauna on the front. The proximity of this bathroom is likely lined up with that, because it seems like with this property and this home, they've taken almost everything into consideration. Nothing here was done by accident, and it all fits together so nicely. So what we've got in here is a walk-in shower. They've got ceramic tile on the floor, tile on the walls as well. And as I come in, you'll see they got the drain over there. And if I go up, they got the rainfall head as well as the removable. And coming back out, you'll get a little sneak peek into the living room kitchen. Wall-mounted toilet there with the double flusher. They've got the vanity beside with 2 rows for towel storage and a drawer that comes out. Kind of a bowl-style sink on top, and the backlit mirror above, which I am a fan of. Heading back out this way, you'll notice that they've got the tile in the entrance running back down towards the sauna. I do want to duck in there and have a quick look because I have been into saunas, both literally and figuratively, on this Baltic trip, so why not have a quick look? First thing I'm noticing is the big window on the front, which is nice. You can take in the view. They've got a double layer seating set up here. A little bit of a tap here, not a little bit, a tap on the wall that you can use to cool down. And there, of course, is the heating mechanism that makes this sauna tick, I guess you could say. Coming back out, I missed this on the way in. We've got a bench there for putting on shoes as well as a bit of storage. Another backlit mirror on the wall. And then behind this door is a little bit more storage again for shoes there. Coming up, you've got some hooks to hang your jacket. That way, you can hang your jacket when you come into the home, for lack of a better explanation. Moving up, here's one of the features that I was telling you about, the customizations that can be made. So that light fixture matches the ones in the living room, which match the ones in the dining room as well. And I haven't seen them in anything else from Bouw Art, so I'm guessing those are additions that these customers made. Coming into the living space, you will see 2 sliding glass doors. The outside of this home is as nice as the inside of the home, so they wanted to have access to get out there from a bunch of different locations. I'm counting 4 if you count the bedroom, the entrance, and the 2 off the front of the home. I get it, there's lots to do out there, why not have access? As I come into the space, this is probably my favorite feature in the home, just the way it looks. They've got these slatted wood behind the TV, creating that feature wall. And honestly, I just think it looks awesome. That's what I like about it. Anytime someone who's bought a house is nice enough to let me come and have a quick tour, I don't like to root through their things. So yes, we will have a look at the kitchen, but I'm not going to open any of the cabinets. We all know what cabinets look like, both inside and out. So use your imagination. There's probably, maybe there's cookies or some pasta in there. Let your imagination run wild. One of the things that I really like about this specific kitchen that's kind of a little bit different and fits with the setting that we're in, they've got a butcher block style counter and backsplash. So you've got the wood there, and coming down this way, I looked at this and I'm not entirely sure what is on this cooktop. So I can see clearly that there are 4 burners, but I'm not sure what is on the middle there. If anyone knows, let us know in the comments. Going up from there, you've got the window above the counter, taking in more of these views. And coming down this way, before I get to that, let's just look at the 2 banks of drawers, one wider than the other. So you've got one on either side, but this is something cool and more proof that they've thought of just about everything in this home. They've got a built-in coffee maker below the microwave, above the oven, and they've got another pull-out drawer down below the oven there. They've even got shelves for coffee cups tucked in there. So yes, they have thought of everything. Here's another feature that I like. They've got the LED strip in this accent up here, and these are 3 more cabinets up there for storage. Coming back over here, you've got the freezer down below with the cabinet matched door, fridge up above, bit of a pantry there, and then 3 cabinets on the top. Here is the dining table, seating for 4 with views out to the yard like that. And coming down into the living room, I've had my eye on this couch. It looks insanely comfortable. I'm tempted to lay down. I'm not going to, but am I right? Look at that thing. All in all, I really do think that they have thought of just about everything in this home, and combined with the property that they've sat it on, it is working quite well. Let's have one more look. I would love to run and jump off that dock. Look at that. There you have it, folks. The Selfoss from Bouw Art, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom prefab home with a sauna. As far as pricing goes, it is currently listed right around 90,000 euros. And of course, I will put the conversions somewhere on the screen. That is it for me here in Latvia. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next